Following the introduction of high-definition HbbTV transmission, classic television is about to experience the next revolution. TV goes online. What this simply means is that TV is about to become a multimedia experience. In the meantime, almost all television manufacturers offer at least one TV set with internet access, and the market is growing rapidly. The experts are calling these latest generation technology hybrid devices, as this is where traditional broadcasting meets the internet, creating entirely new applications. While users can use this to access any amount of internet portals, each manufacturer uses its own technology, which results in each internet service having to prepare its application individually for each device. Furthermore, television and internet content remain separate. There's great potential that can be derived from the combination of both media, but it has only been used partly so far. This is where the so-called hybrid broadcast broadband TV, or HbbTV for short, takes a decisive step further towards the convergence of both media.
Since 2009, the IIT is cooperating with a number of device manufacturers, network operators and service providers in the Pan-European Hybrid Broadcast Broadband TV initiative. This initiative has the aim to develop a common standard for displaying internet content on the TV screen and for providing linking opportunities between TV services and web services. A first draft of the standard has been finished by May 2009 and has been discussed with a number of market players. HbbTV is technologically relying on the well-introduced internet standards HTML, JavaScript for the internet part, and on the DVB standards for the digital television part.
In the future, people will not only be able to use the common internet services, but also be able to view accompanying HTML pages to a television program simply by pressing a red button. Multiple services can even be combined in a menu bar. Browsing the electronic program guide, the audience does not have to miss any of the TV show that they are viewing. A scaled-down TV screen can be integrated directly into the HTML page. From this page, viewers can switch to a different channel or also program the recording of a TV show. Also, teletext will change in the HD era with HTML, graphics and pictures to visibly improve display options. With HbbTV, media convergence becomes a reality. Current television programs and catch-up TV portals offering videos for time-shifted use are just one push of a button away from each other with HbbTV. This has also convinced the television stations. The four major German broadcasters, ARD, ZDF, RTL and ProSieben Sat.1, have all given their support to the standard HbbTV and announced the expansion of the development of prototype applications. In the French market, broadcasters are also banking on HbbTV.
After long and intense discussions with a large number of companies, the HbbTV consortium brought a draft specification to ETSI in November 2009. With the publication of the HbbTV specification as an ETSI standard, we anticipate the large support of that standard, and the market participants get the needed reliability for a broader market introduction. We see with interest that a large number of international consortia and bodies are interested in HbbTV, along with a significant number of global acting companies. Also interesting is to note that even American broadcasters see in HbbTV an interesting solution or even a favorite solution for their home market.
The Institute for Rundfunktechnik, headquartered in Munich and responsible for coordinating the German market with the demands of HbbTV, is working actively on the creation of a standard. In addition, the IRT has also developed numerous services for various program providers. In November 2009, the IRT organised the very first interoperability workshops for HbbTV on its premises. The 3-day event was attended by representatives of broadcasting companies and more than 20 international firms of the software and CE industry to test the latest services and HbbTV ready devices. This strong interest from all parties clearly reveals the enormous potential and the expected momentum of HbbTV. The IRT is making a major contribution to the upcoming launch of devices and services.